To get a beautiful lawn, you need a mower with sharp blades. At the beginning of every lawn mowing season, it's time to sharpen them again. And for best results, you should sharpen the blades every 10 to 20 hours of mowing time. Check a blade of grass after you cut. If the top is clean and sharp, your blades are sharp. If your grass has ragged edges, it's time to sharpen them again. Dull blades tear your grass, causing damage, browning, and even making your lawn more susceptible to disease. Now you can just buy new blades whenever yours get dull, but to get the best value for your mower, you can easily learn to sharpen the blades yourself. But before you begin, check your mower manufacturer's instructions, since some models recommend that you do not sharpen the blades yourself. After that, you can get started. Disconnect the battery if you have a battery-powered mower, or remove the spark plug wire from a gas mower. Safety first, gloves and goggles on. Get the mower on a good work surface. Then carefully flip it upside down. Every mower is different, but to keep our blade in place, we're going to use a screwdriver. Then use a socket wrench to loosen the bolts. Now we can take a look at our blade. This one is definitely in need of some sharpening, but if you see that your blade is bent or cracked, you should buy a new blade. Let's sharpen this blade. You can do it with a hand file, like this mill file I have here, or you can use a power drill. Either way, we will need to clamp our blade into a vise. To use a file, we want to swipe, staying at the same angle as the blade bevel. If the blade is too worn to see the angle, check your manual to see what angle you should use. Usually 50 strokes with a file will get your blade nice and sharp. Then turn it over and do the same on the other side. To use a power drill, you will need a mower blade sharpener attachment. Place the grinder over the edge of the mower blade and the guide along the rear of the blade. Pull the sharpener over the blade edge 4 or 5 times, and you should be sharp. Then turn it over and do the same on the other side. Before you reinstall your blade, check the balance. Put a small nail into a piece of wood and hang the blade from that nail. If it sits horizontally, it's balanced. If it drops to one side, then the side that dips down is too heavy. Remove some more metal from that side and try again. Once the blade is sharp and balanced, you can reinstall. Hold the blade in place and tighten your bolt with your socket wrench. Reattach the battery or spark plug, and we're ready to mow. Now you have a nice sharp mower, and your lawn will look better than ever. Leave a comment below on any topics you'd like us to cover next. Then head to Lowes.com to learn more, and like and subscribe for more great DIY information.